Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Introducing the Beachman Aviator, an electric bike that's not just a ride, but a journey back in time with a modern twist. Ready to redefine your concept of cruising? Inspired by the classic 1960s cafe racers, the Aviator seamlessly blends retro chic with today's cutting-edge engineering and electric innovations. This bike isn't about cross-country road trips or off-road stunts. It's about fully enjoying the place you live with style and a hint of nostalgia. Beyond its stunning looks, the Aviator is built tough, equipped with all the road safety features of a motorcycle: road-safe brake lights, turn signals, and a bright headlight. Plus a loud horn, side reflectors, and mirrors ensure you're seen and heard, whatever your journey. But why stop at safety? Customize your Aviator to match your unique style. Choose from 6 retro stock colors, or go further with custom wraps, leather seats, and handcrafted saddlebags. Make it truly yours. With a thrilling top speed of 50 miles per hour and a battery hidden inside a vintage-style gas tank with a double locking mechanism, the Aviator isn't just about looks. It's about performance and security. And here's something special. The Aviator comfortably accommodates 2 riders, making it perfect for sharing those memorable rides. Whether it's a leisurely cruise around town or a quick sprint down the boulevard, the Aviator brings people together. Experience convenience at your fingertips with the Aviator's remote start feature. Start your bike effortlessly, whether you're gearing up for a ride or helping a newbie get the hang of it. The Beachman Aviator, where every detail invites you to explore the world with flair. It's not just an e-bike, it's a statement. Are you ready to make yours? Ready to capture life from every angle? Introducing the LinkFlow Bold, your ultimate companion for all outdoor and sporting adventures, from cycling to extreme sports, all with the flexibility you've never experienced before. The LinkFlow Bold isn't just any camera, it's a versatile powerhouse. With specially designed mounting options, you can secure it anywhere. Adjust the lens to 0 degrees, 45 degrees, or 90 degrees, and start recording your journey with unparalleled ease. Whether you're capturing a serene landscape or the thrilling pace of a bike race, LinkFlow Bold ensures every color pops with clarity and every detail is sharp. Thanks to its 148.2 degrees wide-angle lens, you'll catch every moment with fewer blind spots. And when the light dims, no worries. The advanced Sony Starvis trademark sensor excels in low-light conditions, making your evening or early morning shoots crisp and clear. Go all day without a hitch. With an 8-hour battery life and support for Quick Charge 3.0, LinkFlow Bold keeps up with even your longest adventures. Stay prepared for the unexpected with automatic incident recording, manual file lock, and SOS alert features. Whether it's a sudden impact or an unexpected noise, LinkFlow Bold reacts instantly, safeguarding crucial evidence. Enjoy seamless recording with 64GB of built-in internal memory, and stabilize every second of your footage with Calm 1.0 stabilization for smoother, more stable videos. Designed to endure, LinkFlow Bold boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, ready to withstand the toughest conditions. Control it all from the palm of your hand with the LinkFlow app, available for both Android and iOS. Customize settings, review footage, and share your adventures with ease. The LinkFlow Bold, engineered for adventurers by adventurers. Capture life no matter where it takes you. Introducing Super Velio, the revolutionary bike that's setting new standards and helping young riders from as early as 10 months to develop coordination, master balance, and gain mobility. With Super Velio, it's not just about riding, it's about nurturing essential skills through active play. This bike encourages children to engage their coordination and balance from the very start. Thanks to the innovative active balance control system, Super Velio gently slows a child's fall, providing those critical extra moments needed to adjust and maintain balance. The amount of support adjusts easily. Just turn the bezel above the rear wheel to fine-tune the experience. The active balance control makes coordination development as easy as ABC, coupled with intuitive point-and-go steering. The Super Velio kickstarts the cognitive journey, simplifying how young minds and bodies learn to navigate the world. Featuring a stable two-wheel design and a spherical frame with no tipping point, the Super Velio ensures safety without compromising the fun of learning to ride. Its gentle radius offers just the right amount of instability to challenge but not overwhelm. Ride anywhere, from the fluffiest carpet to the toughest gravel. The 8-inch soft touch EVA tires and silky smooth sealed cartridge bearings make every ride effortless, preserving energy for more play and less push. Super Velio's low-slung frame keeps the center of gravity close to the ground, enhancing stability, while the magnesium alloy construction ensures it's lightweight yet incredibly durable. Ready for the rough and tumble of growing up, and with ergonomic wraparound handlebars, comfort and stability are always at your child's fingertips. Whether learning the ropes or zipping around, Super Velio offers a secure grip on the fun. Super Velio, where learning to ride becomes a joyful journey of growth. Equip your child with the skills to explore with confidence and have a blast doing it. Welcome to the future of home improvement. Introducing Mectron, not just a tool line, but a portal to a sci-fi universe right on your workbench, where every task feels like a scene from your favorite futuristic movie. Each Mectron screwdriver isn't just a tool, it's a nod to robots and cyberpunk fantasies, crafted to turn every DIY task into a mecha adventure. Imagine having a mini space mission every time you reach for your toolbox. With their metallic bodies and transparent accents etched in intricate blue circuits, they blur the line between tool and tech art. And it's not just about looks, function meets fantasy here. The unique LED lights don't just add to the futuristic vibe, they light up your work area, transforming every project into an otherworldly experience. Meet the star of the series, the 8-volt Leon Cyber 2-speed hammer drill driver, a powerhouse that handles everything from drilling walls to assembling furniture. Its aerospace-inspired design delivers not just power, but a symphony of strength and elegance. Organization meets innovation with the geometric mechanics storage case. Not just a box, but a drill stand that adds a cool tech edge to your workspace. And with a digital screen flashing battery life and work status, you're always in the know. Every battery reload with the Cyber Drill mimics a real reload action, turning even recharging into an engaging ritual. This drill isn't just built to last, it's built to excite. And for everyday fixes, the 4V Cyber T-Type screwdriver is your go-to gadget. Its ergonomic T-shaped handle and high-torque motor make even the most mundane tasks feel like techie triumphs. Plus, every Mectron comes ready with a compact emergency toolkit packed with everything you need for tweaks or unexpected fixes. With Mectron, you're not just equipped, you're empowered. Mectron, where every turn of the screw is a leap into the future. Dive into a world where your tools are as exciting as your projects. Welcome to the edge of innovation. Welcome to a new era of audio experience. Introducing GADDAL, the immersive vibration effect speaker that elevates your gaming, movie watching, and music enjoyment to new heights. GADDAL isn't just a speaker, it's a revolution in sound technology. Engineered with a full-range speaker unit, it converts sound into vibrations, delivering unmatched clarity and deep, resonant bass that you can feel. Imagine feeling every explosion, footstep, and note of your favorite soundtrack as if you're right in the heart of the action. With GADDAL, every listening session becomes a full-body experience. Dive into various music genres with crystal clear sound reproduction. Capture every nuance and detail as GADDAL enhances your home gatherings with vibrant and dynamic sound that keeps the energy high, no matter the occasion. But that's not all. GADDAL optimizes your environment for productivity and relaxation. Whether you're working, studying, or winding down, it fine-tunes the background music to sharpen your focus or soothe your mind. Experience tranquility with GADDAL's gentle vibrations that resonate throughout your body, enhancing relaxation with ambient sounds like waves or a serene Japanese garden, perfect for meditation or a peaceful sleep. GADDAL's innovative design consolidates amplifier, speaker, and battery into one sleek unit. This not only simplifies setup, but also ensures that you enjoy a consistent sound quality throughout the room. Its unique ability to send vibrations through the surface it touches means that sound is evenly distributed, so everyone gets the best seat in the house. Adjust the bass and treble to your liking, and let the 360 degrees omnidirectional sound transform your space into a rich soundscape, perfect for any activity from relaxed evenings to lively gatherings. Gadal doesn't just play sound, it creates an environment. It's not just a speaker, it's a pathway to deeper relaxation and a more joyful life. With Gadal, the sound isn't just heard, it's experienced. Step into a world where sound touches more than just your ears. Gadal, feel the sound, live the experience. Welcome to the future of customization and digital interaction. Introducing Master Hub, the world's first modular device that tailors every aspect of your digital experience, from gaming to professional content creation. Master Hub isn't just another tool, it's a revolution. Designed for those who crave control and precision, it transforms your setup into a fully customizable command center. Imagine setting shortcuts, fine-tuning in-game settings, adjusting audio levels, and making real-time tweaks that elevate your gameplay. With Master Hub, dominate the game and master your environment with style. Personalize your Master Hub with RGB lighting that syncs with your mood or matches your style. Whether you're a full-time streamer or a creative professional, Master Hub adapts to your needs seamlessly. For the creatives, adjust brush sizes, layer opacity, and more with a simple twist or press. Master Hub gives you the power to fine-tune details in real time, supercharging your productivity, stream live, switch scenes, or manage your audience interaction without missing a beat. Master Hub puts your entire streaming studio right at your fingertips, ensuring you're always in control. Each module of Master Hub serves as your personal command center. Launch programs, navigate documents, or craft memorable presentations with ease. Customize actions to keys and dials with intuitive controls designed for efficiency. Slide through tasks with customizable faders, ideal for audio mixing, video editing, or any precision task. Adjust settings visually as RGB LED indicators provide tactile feedback, enhancing your workflow. Transform your workspace with handy widgets like clocks, timers, and weather updates. With versatile modules for scene switching, volume control, and more, maneuver through your digital world effortlessly. The Master Hub is more than just a device. It's a testament to how personal your technology can be. Achieve pinpoint accuracy in all your endeavors and let your workspace reflect your unique style. Master Hub, where technology meets personalization. Unlock the full potential of your digital life today. Be a master with Master Hub. Unlock the future of reading and note-taking with the V-Woods iPaper Carta 1300 e-ink tablet. Combining cutting-edge technology with the comfort of traditional paper, iPaper is here to revolutionize your learning and workflow. Weighing just 370 grams and only 4.5 mm thin, the iPaper is designed for portability and ease. Slip it into your bag and take your library or office with you wherever you go. Featuring the advanced e-ink Carta 1300 display technology, the iPaper offers enhanced contrast, faster refresh rates, and a more responsive touch experience. It's perfect for extensive reading sessions and dynamic note-taking without the strain on your eyes. Enjoy a crisp, paper-like reading experience on a 10.65-inch screen with stunning 2560 x 1920 resolution. Whether you're in bright sunlight or your cozy evening corner, iPaper ensures optimal readability. Store up to 20,000 books or 2.4 million pages of notes securely with 128 GB of encrypted storage. With password protection and a fingerprint lock, your content is always safe and exclusively yours. Manage your digital library with ease. Access, organize, and share your content through the iPaper account on any device. Synchronization across multiple papers, seamless. Sharing notes and documents is a breeze with the advanced file transfer options. Use QR codes, Bluetooth, emails, or the ViTransfer app to keep your ideas flowing and your collaborations effective. Worried about battery life? Don't be. iPaper lasts up to 1 week with daily use and 4 weeks on standby, ensuring you're always ready to work. From annotating articles to transforming notes into meeting minutes with a single click, iPaper enhances your productivity. And with AI tools to summarize and refine your content, iPaper isn't just smart, it's your smartest collaborator. The V-Woods iPaper Carta 1300 e-ink tablet, where technology meets tradition and your workflow gets a modern upgrade. Experience the revolution in reading and note-taking, all at the tip of your fingers. Wave hello to the future of digital interaction with the AirGlide Gesture Control Stand, the ultimate touch-free solution that's changing how you interact with your devices. Imagine controlling your gadgets with just a simple wave of your hand. No touch needed, no mess, no fuss. Welcome to a world where your fingertips command action from the air, making multitasking seamless and more magical than ever. With AirGlide, say goodbye to smudges on your screen and the challenge of using your device with dirty or busy hands. Whether you're cooking, painting, or working in the garage, AirGlide keeps your device clean and your focus sharp. Struggling to pause that tutorial video with messy hands? Not anymore. AirGlide's intuitive gesture controls allow you to play, pause, or switch tutorials without ever touching your screen. Browse social media, give a like, or flip through your ebook with just a swipe in the air. From scrolling through Instagram Reels to flipping the pages of your favorite digital novel, everything becomes effortlessly accessible. Immerse yourself in your favorite content without any distractions. The AirGlide stand is not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your interaction with technology in the most intuitive way possible. Whether it's for personal use or enhancing productivity in professional settings, the AirGlide stand adapts to your environment and needs, offering limitless possibilities with its responsive gesture control technology. It's not just smart, it's a smarter way to connect with your digital world. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.